What'd you say, honey? You want this? Oh! There's a ball. What you doing? I don't know if you're gonna be able to slide on your sliding board. It's a little frozen. What's the matter, G? Come here. I guess you don't like the snow, huh? What's wrong? You don't like your mittens? I'm sorry, you gotta have your mittens so they keep your hands warm. Look, there's your sister. She's playing over here. Honey, you gotta go up the step. You gotta go up the step. Come on. There you go. Whoop! There you go. Come on. Come on, there you go. You got it. Who's rolling around in the snow over here? You're not stuck. What's the matter, G? I don't think you really fit in there with all your bunting on.